my God. What the hell? Oh my God.
I'm gonna scoot you up so your knee doesn't hit.
Oh.
Oh, easy. Where are you going?
Oh.
A little harder. There we go.
Wow.